This video is part of a series showing you great ways to capture and work with documents stored in WebDocs. Imaging Scan Workstation allows you to capture, index, and check in documents to WebDocs and gives you several more advanced options for automating the assembly and processing of your documents. Whether you scan documents or store them in a network or local PC folder, Imaging Scan Workstation will help you process them for WebDocs with a variety of automated features, like if you want to combine several different documents into a new multi-page document. Imaging Scan Workstation will help with the assembly of all of these documents, and when you're done combining them, you can check them right into WebDocs. The install and setup process won't be covered in this video, but it is important to note that there is some initial setup that needs to be done. So just make sure Imaging Scan Workstation is installed and configured before proceeding. To quickly check in a document to WebDocs, you can either scan a new document or open an existing document. The new document appears in the viewing area. If you right-click anywhere on the page, you'll see some viewing options. You can also just click and drag with your cursor to zoom in on an area. This can be useful when you want to find information for search keys. Over here, select your document type and folder and enter in your title and search keys. Notice that some search keys are in red. These search keys are required fields and must be filled in before a document can be checked in. Now click Check In, and that's all there is to it. But if you have a batch of documents, you'll want to use a feature meant to handle large volumes. For that, click Scan Batch and select where you want to store the scanned documents. Or, to open existing documents stored on your PC or network, click the Open Input button and select the folder where they are stored. Each of the documents appears down here as a thumbnail, and you're ready to start assembling them into a new document. Click the thumbnail to choose which documents to include. As you insert them into the new document, they display here in the viewing area. When you're done assembling the new document, all you have left to do is select the document type, folder, any related search keys, and enter the title. But the power of Imaging Scan Workstation comes from automation. One of the automation tools you can use is an OCR template. Imaging Scan Workstation can grab search keys for you, rather than having to enter all of them manually. After setting up a template in the Zone Designer, select the template, set your document type and folder, and then click the OCR button. The search keys that can be grabbed from the document are now filled in for you. Quickly verify all your search keys are correct, and then click the Check-in button. OCR templates can also help you assemble new documents automatically by using one of the built-in check-in features. After you create and set an OCR template, Imaging Scan Workstation decides which documents belong together by looking for a barcode on separator pages. There are many options available to you for using barcodes to assemble documents. In this example, every time Imaging Scan Workstation sees a barcode, it knows it's time to start a new document. Once you choose a document type, document folder, title, and the search keys, just check in the document to WebDocs, and Imaging Scan Workstation will move on to the next new document. The previous examples using OCR templates were done separately, but you can also combine them by using a template for search keys with a template for separator pages and further automate this process. Just choose your document type and folder and enter a title for the new document, and let the check-in process automatically build your new document. Then grab search keys directly from the document. All that's left to do is check in the document to WebDocs. You can see how this becomes a very powerful tool to automate an otherwise very manual process. Imaging Scan Workstation has many other features that can further automate how you capture, index, and check in documents. For example, you can set up scripts that validate or look up search key values from a database. To learn more about the features covered in this video, and to learn about features not covered in this video, visit the RJS Support Center at support.rjssoftware.com. And be sure to check out our other videos in this series for more ways to easily capture documents for WebDocs right from your desktop.